go. Hello, and welcome to Cursive Writing for Lefties. Today we're going to do cursive upper and lowercase x. Get ready. Turn your paper. Hold your pencil and your 3 fingers. We're going to start right here. Remember to slant. Cursive X is made like this. Loop half of a heart. That's the first thing you do. Then you want to go back up and do the opposite, half of a heart down here. I'll show you that again. Teardrop, half of a heart. You want to go back up to the blue line, come back and touch that other line, and make your loop at the bottom, or your teardrop at the bottom. Half of a heart, go back up, and do your loop at the bottom. Okay, let's do it again. Teardrop, half of a heart. Start at the top, come down, touch the half of a heart, and make a teardrop. Okay, do it again. Half of a heart, go back up, half of a heart, teardrop, upside down. Do it again. Teardrop, half of a heart. Go back up, touch that half of a heart, do your half of a heart with the teardrop at the bottom. Do it again. Do it again. At this time, you can start the video over if you want to continue with uppercase X. If not, we're going to go on to lowercase x. Lowercase x is like this. You make a hump, go down to the red line, make your tail, and then cross it. Hump, go down to the red line, make your tail, and cross. Okay? Kind of easy, huh? Hump up to the dotted blue line, come back down to the red line, and then cross. Hump, dotted red line, and cross. Hump, dotted red line, and cross. Hump, dotted red line, and cross. Keep going. Take your time. Make them as neatly as you possibly can. Make them as neat as you possibly can. Okay? So this is one of the easier letters. X. Capital X, lowercase x, go through the video as many times as you need to until you get it. Keep practicing, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.